Hey there, ever wondered what the heck is cryptocurrency and why everyone's talking about it? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explain cryptocurrency in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no confusion. Let's dive in. Before we understand cryptocurrency, let's go back to basics. What is currency? Currency is anything people agree to use as money. Long ago, people used things like salt, shells, or gold. Today, we use paper notes, coins, or digital money like the ones in your bank account. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money, but it's different from the dollars in your bank. It doesn't exist in physical form, and it's not controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it runs on a technology called blockchain. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Imagine a public notebook where every transaction is recorded and can't be erased. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, it gets added to this notebook. That way, no one can cheat or double spend. People use crypto for many reasons. It's fast, global, and doesn't need banks. Some like it for privacy, others as an investment. In some countries, it's even a safer option than their local currency. Crypto is safe if you know what you're doing, but there are scams and risks. If you lose your password, your crypto is gone forever. That's why it's important to learn and stay secure. Many experts believe crypto is the future of money. Big companies and even countries are starting to use it. Whether it becomes a regular part of our lives depends on how we build and trust it. And that's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. If you found this simple explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.